In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a digital download as a product on your Squarespace store. It's super simple, but you have a lot of options. So I'm going to walk you through them and point out some important things that you need to know before you upload your product. So, of course, when you're logged into your site, under products and services, find the products tab. Now, disclaimer, Squarespace moves around everything in the sidebar a lot. So if it's not this obvious when you're watching this video, just click on this search bar and type in products, and you will hopefully land on a page that looks similar to this. Now you can see the dashboard here will break down your products into physical, services, downloads, and gift cards. If you come over to downloads, you can see I've got two, I guess it says they're public, but my store is disabled. But we're going to click add a product. It doesn't really matter which tab you're on when you go to add a product. It's still going to give you all the different options when you click on it. We are going to click the download option. And first up, it's pretty obvious. The name of your download goes here. A description goes here. I would recommend giving it more than just one or two sentences like you see in the preview here. If you want to have good SEO on your product page, you're going to want to give it a good description. Google reads words to determine what your product page is all about. So you need to give it the words, and this is the place to do that. If you would like to add some additional info, say you add a description and it's just too long and maybe it bumps your like add to cart button too far down on the page, what you should do is put your short description here and come into additional info, and anything you put in here will display full width underneath the product in your description and add to cart button, however you have that split up on your site. So that is where you can add more info so it doesn't mess up the placement of your add to cart button. Images, obviously a great thing to add. Drag and drop those in here. And then here is your actual spot to put your digital download. Now for Squarespace, you don't want to have it be any larger than 20 megabytes, and that goes for any file upload. So drop that in here. And now this is also really important to note for you and your customers, so you don't have to deal with customer service issues on the back end. Customers will receive a link in their email to the file, and that link will only be active for 24 hours after they purchase. So you're going to need your customers to know that they have to actually go into their email and download it, or else that link will be inactive after 24 hours. So I definitely would recommend putting that up here at the top of the description. Like when you purchase, make sure you download it. It's active for 24 hours. Say something in the description so that you don't have to deal with people coming to you later and saying, hey, I bought this from you. I can't get it anymore. The link doesn't work. That's, I think, very important to know for digital downloads on Squarespace. Now, price, obviously put that here. If you want to discount it, toggle that on, put your new price in. You can give it a category, tags. These are very simple, basic setup things. You can upsell customers with product add-ons. You can click add and then click from your other products here. You can make it a featured product. You can select related products. You can show customer reviews on the product page itself. Down here, we've got some SEO and social sharing options. To edit the description that will show up and search for your product, just click this edit option here. Make sure you customize the URL of your product. You don't want it to be this mumble jumble of stuff. Enter your title and then your description for SEO, which is this preview right here. So when people Google search and your product shows up, this is how you control what the text is that they see. And then at the very bottom, we've got the checkout. If you need to collect info from people when they add this to their cart, you can do that. Likely you won't need to do that with a digital product. They'll just get the digital file and be on their way. And then if you want to customize the button, if you wanted to say something other than add to cart, you can click that, enable the custom label, and then change it to, I don't know, get download now. And that is how you add a digital product to your Squarespace store. Of course, you're going to want to hit save. You can either save it and continue working on setting it up later. You can publish it if you're just ready to go live and add it to your store, or you can schedule it to go live at a later date. I hope you found this helpful and that it answers all your questions about setting up digital products on Squarespace. If you have any questions for me, though, leave them in the comments. And I am Catherine Forbes, founder of Designing the Row. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, hit that like, subscribe button, and stick around for more Squarespace tutorials.